I have 16 ways to use these Dollar Tree mops that you have never seen before. And no, it has nothing to do with mopping. So make sure that you head on over to your local Dollar Tree at the end of this video so that you can implement these super creative and clever ideas. Anything I talk about will be linked in that description box below. You've cleaned your oven and now you realize that you need to clean your oven door, but maybe you can't quite pop your glass off because you need a tool that's gonna fit between this small space right here. I got that problem. All you're gonna need is a Dollar Tree fly swatter. By the way, this had this really gaudy flower on there. I just ripped it off. And a Dollar Tree mop head. Depending upon the size of your fly swatter, you may need to take a little off the side. Dun da da! Now get yourself some E6000 and be generous with it. Oh yeah. There's two ways that you can enter your oven, from the top or from the back if you're not able to take this off. I like to secure mine with a rubber band just in case, and then get on in there. I also like to spray it with a little vinegar or a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Squeaky clean, my friend. Now, if you don't love the Dollar Tree option, this one works great too from Amazon. Go Gadget Arm. I mean, look at this thing. Cleaning your oven just got way more fun. Both options work great under your refrigerator too. Oh yeah. Look at all that. I have a third alternative for you. Vroom vroom, baby. Got any mineral deposits around your sinks? By the way, a razor blade will take that off, but here's an alternative. Cut an X in your Dollar Tree mop head in order to fit around your tap. This Dollar Tree utility knife also works great. I just cut one line here and it will work equally as well. Flip it around. Problem solved, my friend. Now you can easily slip these off and wash them as needed. Now I found an alternative on Amazon, of course. This one's great. It's the faucet drip catcher. Make your choice. And because I know some of you are going to ask me about this, I love this foldable dish rack dryer. I'll also link this below for you as well. This time we're going with the real fluffy microfiber dusting mop pad. Cut it into two pieces, a pair of kitchen tongs, 2 rubber bands, and dusting just got a whole lot easier. And if you prefer Amazon, check out this blind cleaner. Super cool, super amazing, and does just the right job. For this one, we're going with this style of the Dollar Tree mop pad. I love my Amazon refrigerator mats to catch everything. That way I don't have to remove the glass as often, but this works as well too. Line them up however you need them, and the best part, they're easily washable. Another alternative, our coffee maker likes to drip and splatter, so I've used my Amazon mats here, but you could also use these Dollar Tree mop heads. Got something hot that you need to take out of your oven? Just made some peanut butter cookies for my kids, and this works awesome. Or maybe you have a really hot pan that you need to set down on your countertop. You've got to love these alternative Amazon hot pads that I found. Fun fact, they are a #1 bestseller as well. Can you guess what was cooked in here? If you said shrimp, give yourself a thumbs up. Did you need to move some furniture and don't want to scratch your floors? Whoop whoop. If you don't love the Dollar Tree option, you can buy these caster cups for the bottom of your chairs. I am obsessed with these. They're like little shoes for your chairs. You want to see what happens when you do not protect the bottom of your chairs? Look at that. Maybe you have things that like to slide around in your drawer. You certainly could get yourself a Dollar Tree pool noodle, or the mop head works great too. Another alternative is this easy tape. Love it, from Amazon. I showed it in a previous video, but I've stuck it to the bottom of this Dollar Tree utensil holder that I now use to organize all my kids' toothpaste supplies. Maybe you have a mop bucket handle that gives you a little trouble. If you want a little extra padding, use one of these. This next one is so cute. It makes for an excellent gift idea for your favorite ice cream lovers. By the way, this coffee Haagen-Dazs is one of my favorites, but you can buy little hand warm holders for your pints of ice cream, or hold hands no more with your ice cream eating and your Dollar Tree mop head. Any sort of cleaning when it comes to your hands and knees or gardening, take 2 mop heads, preferably the fluffy kind, fold them in half. Ah, that feels much better. I found some great ones on Amazon. They are super cute when it comes to cleaning around. I don't know about you, but oftentimes I find myself down here trying to get in all the nooks and crannies. And with bathing for small children, these have come in handy very nicely. Speaking of kids, car seat protectors can come in handy, but you can also use these Dollar Tree mop heads. Stick one on each side to protect your beloved seats. By the way, I found the #1 best-selling car seat protector on Amazon. You can see right here. Rather than spraying your pillows directly with a calm down pillow spray, try this. This is one of my all-time favorite scents, although I do love the #1 best-selling lavender and chamomile on Amazon. But go ahead and spray your mop head and stick this inside of your pillowcase for a more peaceful night's sleep. The best part about this, if you buy multiple mop heads, you can easily change out your nighttime scents. Struggle with drafty doors. We get quite a bit of cool air through this area as well, but this makes for a nice stopper. Or just maybe you prefer the Amazon alternative as well. This one is great. These also make for excellent sound barriers in between walls and doors. Don't you just hate greasy refrigerator door handles? Shine free forever. Here's some really cute refrigerator handle door covers that I found on Amazon. Every day I get a ton of buildup here where my water dispenser is. And in fact, that's pretty well stained from mineral deposits. Here's a cool and effective alternative, or you could check out the one on Amazon that's made specifically for this, but I love the Dollar Tree option because you can easily take this in and out and wash it. Struggling with your flexibility? Grab your Dollar Tree mop cover. There we go. This next one is awesome. Fully saturate your mop head in some nice water. Put it in your freezer for a few hours. And when it's ready, pull it out for a very calming eye mask. Speaking of stress-free, head on over to AndreaJeanCleaning.com to access your free stress-free holiday planner. If you're looking for some excellent Amazon kitchen gadgets, click this video on screen now. Or if you're looking for some Amazon gift ideas, click this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.